Moving forward towards the method number 2, that is by using an itertools. So first we are going to import our library, that is from itertools we are going to import the chain, and after that initialization of the list of a string and the string which we need to be add, and the number that is at which string we need to be added. After that we are going to use an itertools.chain over here. So first we are going to go through each and every range of an element from 0 up to the length of the one, and the and is for the occurrences of that. After that we have set an if condition, that is if the length of the I is to be I plus n is equals to the n, then we are adding that list plus l over there, else we are only giving it moving forward. So what does this is gonna do is, as I've said it, we are adding that n is equals to n for an if condition, that is if I is equals to I plus n, which is equals to the n, that is the number which where we need to be store that particular string into our list of a string. If that is equal to, then we are changing the list, that is we are adding that particular element on the nth position of our list of a string, else we are only moving forward. And the chain we have used over here to combine them together, and after that we are converting it into the list and we are storing it into the list number 2, and we have them as an output.